Start on the TFL by placing the body zone on the side of your hip, between the two bony prominences. Cross the other leg over top and plant your foot on the ground so you can use it to modify your body weight. Use your forearm and other hand to roll on the TFL between the two hip bones. Then stop in the middle and rotate your trunk forward and back. This will continue releasing the TFL. Then move the foam roller down on the side of your leg to roll on the IT band. Use the same technique and roll all the way down to your knee. Perform each of these for 1 to 2 minutes per side. If tolerated, bend and straighten your knee to release trigger points.